Hello guys! Welcome to the lesson 11 of the MANABU online textbook. Today we're gonna discuss about quantifiers or counters. So this is a continuation of our previous lesson, the place ni object ga arimasu and imasu. Now we added the quantifiers to indicate the quantity of the object that is present in a certain place. Dewa, let's get started. So for the sentence pattern, number 1 is kaigishitsu ni teburu ga nanatsu arimasu. Kaigishitsu ni teburu ga nanatsu arimasu. So kaigishitsu ni place of existence, particle ni. Teburu ga, so this is the object ga arimasu pattern. Teburu ga arimasu, there is a table. Then we added the counter or the quantifier nanatsu. So this is the counter for things, nanatsu arimasu. So there are 7 tables in the meeting room. Next, number 2. Watashi wa Nihon ni 1年います. Watashi wa Nihon ni 1年います. I'm in Japan for 1 year. Nihon ni 1年います. 1年 means 1 year. So remember guys that there are different ways of counting things in Japanese. So depending on the object that you're referring to or you're counting, we use different kinds of counters. For example, for person, we use nin. And for things like tables, we will use tsu. And just like our previous lesson, the kai is the counter for building floors, ikkai, nikkai, sankai, etc. So we are now on the example sentences. Once again, Mr. Van will join us today. Number 1, Ringo o ikutsu kaimashita ka? Ringo o ikutsu kaimashita ka? How many apples did you buy? So, Ringo o ikutsu. The word ikutsu is the interrogative for how many. Ikutsu. Kaimashita ka?
Yutsu kaimashita.
Yutsu kaimashita. So, I bought 4 pieces. 4 pieces. Number 2. 80 yen no kitte o 5 mai to hagaki o 2 mai kudasai.
はい。全部で500円です。
全部で
はい。全部で500円です。
Once again, 80 yen no kitte o 5 mai to hagaki o 2 mai kudasai.
はい。全部で500円です。
500円です。
ごめんなさい。500円です。
はい、500円です。So, 80 yen no kitte o 5 mai. So, the kitte means stamps. 80 yen no kitte. The 80 yen stamps. 5 mai. To and hagaki o 2 mai kudasai. Hagaki means postcards o 2 mai. So we use the counter mai because the mai is the counter for thin and flat objects or papers. Mai. He answered, "Hai, zenbu de 500 yen desu." Zenbu de means in total. 500 yen desu. It's 500 yen. Number 3. Tokyo Daigaku ni gaikokujin no sensei ga imasu ka?
はい。3人います。みんなフィリピン人です。
Okay. Tokyo Daigaku ni place ni gaikokujin no sensei ga imasu ka? So gaikokujin no sensei is foreign teachers. Ga imasu ka? Are there foreign teachers in Tokyo University? He answered, "Hai, 3人います." Yes, 3人います. There are 3. So he used the counter nin because nin is the counter for people. 3人います. Then, minna Philippine jin desu. Minna is everyone. Philippine jin desu. They are all Filipinos. Number 4. Kyodai wa nannin imasu ka?
4人です。兄が2人と兄が1人います。
So I asked, Kyodai wa nannin imasu ka? Kyodai means your brothers and sisters. How many siblings do you have? Nannin. So the interrogative nan, nin. How many person? Then yonin des. There are 4. Ane ga futari to. So ane means older sister. Ga futari. And particle to. And ani is older brother. Ga hitori imasu. Number 5. Ishukan ni nankai tennis o shimasu ka?
2回ぐらいします。
Okay. Once again, 1週間に何回テニスをしますか?
2回ぐらいします。
Hi. I ask, so this is the pattern for time duration ni kai verb. Time duration ni in a period of time, then kai verb, time, the number of times you do a certain action. So tennis o shimasu, to play tennis. Nankai tennis o shimasu, how many times you play tennis? 1週間に in a week. He said 2回ぐらいします. 2回ぐらいします. I do it twice, about twice. So 2回means 2 times or twice. Gurai is an approximation. So about 2 times. About twice shimasu. I do it about twice. So now guys, let's jump to the conversation video. Let's go.
いい天気ですね。お出かけですか？
ちょっと郵便局まで行っ
そうですか。いってらっしゃい。
てきます。これ、お外上までお願いします。
船便ですか？航空便ですか？
航空便はいくらですか
？7600円です。
船便は
3440円です。
どのくらいかかりますか？
航空便で7日、船便で2ヶ月ぐらいです。
じゃあ、船便でお願いします。
Welcome to Lesson 11, Exercise A. I will read the sentences and please repeat after me. Number 1, let's start from the interrogative sentence. Mikan ga ikutsu arimasu ka? Mikan ga ikutsu arimasu ka? How many oranges are there? So the answers are, so ikutsu is the counter for things. Ikutsu, how many? The answers are mikan ga itsutsu arimasu. Itsutsu arimasu, 5 pieces. Next, mikan ga yatsu arimasu. Yatsu arimasu, 8 pieces. Yatsu. Mikan ga to arimasu. Mikan ga to arimasu. Number 2, 80 yen no kitte o nanmai kaimashita ka? So the interrogative sentence at the bottom is nanmai kaimashita ka? Nanmai. How many 80 yen stamps did you buy? So we use the counter mai because kitte or stamps are thin and flat things. It's paper, so we use the counter mai. Nanmai, how many? Then the answers are 80 yen no kitte o 1枚買いました。1枚買いました。Next line, 80 yen no kitte o 4枚買いました。4枚買いました。I bought 4 pieces. Next line is 9枚買いました。9枚買いました。I bought 9 pieces. Number 3, このクラスに留学生が何人いますか？このクラスに留学生が何人いますか？ So the interrogative sentence. The interrogative is 何人. How many people? So the counter for people is nin. So we start from hitori, futari. Then from 3 to 10, we will use nin. Sang nin, yo nin, go nin, and so on and so forth. So the answers are, kono korasu ni ryu ga kosei ga hitori imasu. Hitori imasu. Next, kono korasu ni ryu ga kosei ga futari imasu. Futari imasu. There are 2 foreign students. Next line, kono korasu ni ryu ga kosei ga 4 nin imasu. 4 nin imasu. So ryu ga kosei means foreign student. Number 4, 1週間に1回映画を見ます。So 1週間に in a week 1回 once 映画を見ます。So I watch movie 1回 once 1週間に in a week. Next line, 1ヶ月に2回 So in 1 month twice 映画を見ます。I watch movie twice a month. Next line is 1年に in 1 year 5回ぐらい映画を見ます。5回ぐらい about 5 times 1年に in a year. The interrogative is 1週間に何回映画を見ますか? So at the top, 1週間に in 1 week. The interrogative is 何回映画を見ますか? How many times do you watch movie in a week? 1ヶ月に1年に何回映画を見ますか? So how many times you watch movie in 1 month and in 1 year? Number 5, let's start from the interrogative sentence. 国でどのぐらい日本語を勉強しましたか? 国でどのぐらい日本語を勉強しましたか? 国で in your country どのぐらい how long 日本語を勉強しましたか? Did you study 日本語? So the answers are, we will answer the interrogative どのぐらい. So 5週間5週間日本語を勉強しました。I studied for 5 weeks. 5週間。Next, 国で6ヶ月日本語を勉強しました。6ヶ月日本語を勉強しました。I studied for 6 months. Next line, 国で1年ぐらい日本語を勉強しました。1年ぐらい日本語を勉強しました。About 1 year. 1年ぐらい。So that's all for this lecture, guys. Make sure to review this lesson with our grammar video on our YouTube channel. では、皆さん、頑張ってね。